accidentally spilled this on the grout, and my husband thought I had renovated the bathroom. No store-bought product has ever given me such a result. Grout is one of those areas that's really hard to clean. It's narrow, rough, and dirt can sink in and stay for months. Today, I'll show you a simple way to get rid of it fast. Start with a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Lemon has natural whitening and disinfecting properties. Add a 1/4 cup of liquid soap. It softens grime and helps dissolve greasy buildup in the grout. Then add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It has strong cleaning and mildly abrasive power to remove tough stains. Finally, pour in 1/2 cup of dish soap. It's great at cutting through grease and dirt. Mix everything well. It will start to fizz slightly. Now pour the mixture directly onto the dirty grout. Scrub well with a brush, then wipe away the residue. The effect is instant. The grout looks shiny and brand new. Your whole bathroom or kitchen will feel refreshed. And if there's any mixture left, pour it into the toilet. It will freshen it up and break down buildup. One simple recipe, and it works better than most store-bought cleaners.